Alice, say hi!
Hi!
Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how all this, our universe, the stars, and even us came to be?
Yeah, it's crazy to think about. There are so many theories, right?
Yeah, some say it all started with a big explosion, others believe in an endless cycle, and some think that the universe has always existed.
Yeah, how amazing! What about we talk each of these theories and discuss which one is the most convincing?
So, have you ever heard about the Big Bang Theory? It's the most widely accepted explanation of how the universe began.
Of course, it was first proposed by George Lemaitre, who based it on Einstein's general relativity. But, funny enough, the name Big Bang was actually given by Fred Hoyle, and then he didn't even believe in it.
That's ironic. But what's really cool about this theory is that it suggests that the universe started from a tiny, insanely hot and dense point that expanded rapidly. And guess what? It's still expanding today. There's a solid evidence supporting it. The expansion of the universe was observed through redshift, and then there's a cosmic microwave radiation, like an ancient glow from the universe's early days.
Yeah,
So, what's the universe's fate according to this theory?
scientists believe that it will keep expanding indefinitely thanks to the dark energy, and eventually everything will spread out, that galaxies won't interact, and that the universe will become cold and dark.
That's a kind of airy, but also fascinating. It makes sense though, since we actually observed the universe expanding.
Exactly, that's why the Big Bang Theory is the most convincing one so far.
Now, let's talk about a different perspective, the oscillating universe theory.
The idea that the universe doesn't just expand forever, but instead, it goes through cycles of expansion and contraction.
Yes, you're right, Alice. According to this theory, gravity will eventually slow the expansion, causing everything to collapse back into a dense point, what they call the big crunch. Then, a new universe might emerge, starting the cycle.
That's such a wild idea. It suggests that the universe has no true beginning or end.
Right, Alice. Some big names like Einstein and Alexander Friedman explored this concept. But the problem is, there's no strong evidence to support it.
Exactly! We see the universe expanding, but there's no sign that it has ever contracted before. And with the dark energy pushing everything apart faster and faster, a big crunch seems unlikely.
So, while it's an interesting idea, it doesn't really hold up against current observations.
Yeah, unless we have find the proof of the past cycles, this theory remains speculative. Okay, Irene, this one's different. The steady state theory.
Oh, the idea that the universe has always existed and will always remain the same?
Exactly! It was first proposed by Fred Hoyle, Tommy Gold, and Herman Bondi. They believe that as the universe expands, new matter continuously created to maintain a constant density.
That's pretty bold, Alice. It even follows the perfect cosmological principle, which states that the universe looks the same everywhere and at all times.
Yeah, but here's the catch. It doesn't explain the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the strong evidence of the Big Bang Theory.
Right, plus we now know that the universe changes over time. Galaxies evolve, stars are born and die, and the universe is far from being in a steady state.
Yeah, so while the theory was the once popular, it's no longer convincing because the idea that the universe with no beginning or end doesn't match of what we observe today.
Wow, so many theories. Each one tries to explain the origin of the universe in a different way.
Yeah, but based on the evidence we have today, the Big Bang Theory seems to be the most reliable.
Still, it's fun to explore these different ideas. The universe is full of mysteries, and who knows, future discoveries might change everything we think we know.